Good morning, we're Jacob and Jenny, and today is our last day in Iceland.
Yeah, so we're gonna spend the day hitting up a few of the things that we haven't seen yet, including touring around the Reykjavik area and hitting up the nearby really special sites of the Blue Lagoon, which should be absolutely relaxing, and finishing off our day with probably the thing that we've been most looking forward to this whole trip. Really unique, getting to see a live, active volcano.
So let's get going. Before we get started though, we need breakfast. So we got a delicious looking cinnamon roll that we're gonna eat before our tour gets started. Good way to start the day. So as you can see, we are in a harbor area here in Reykjavik. Our first thing that we're going to do today is a puffin tour. We haven't gotten the chance to see puffins yet, and they're pretty noteworthy to the Icelandic area. So we're gonna take a quick tour around in a boat. So we just finished up our puffin tour.
Yeah, that was pretty neat.
Yeah, we got to see a lot.
A ton of puffins.
Yeah.
I think they said there's 16,000 puffins on that small little island.
Yeah.
And we probably saw hundreds, if not a couple thousand of them.
Yeah, it was a lot.
Yeah.
So that was really great.
Not sure if I got any on camera though.
Yeah,
They're really small and quick, and I'm just not sure how well I got to film something. If we caught it on camera, you'll see it here.
Yeah. But it was great.
It was really cool.
And it was very cold out, so it was kind of nice that it was short.
Yes.
It was only an hour.
But now we're cold and we need to warm up, so we are going to try and find
some lunch,
yes.
some sort of lunch,
yes.
some sort of warm lunch. So we got a mixed plate at Cafe Logate, and it has a bunch of different local specialties. So we got some mashed fish, some dried fish, some lamb, and some fermented shark. So we're gonna see how that tastes. The last thing we are gonna try for our savory foods, I guess, is fermented shark.
So fermented shark is supposed to be...
Don't smell it.
Yeah. It's very strong smelling. It's supposed to be quite an interesting traditional dish here.
So you're supposed to take a shot of Brenniman and the fermented shark, and it's supposed to be strong taste. So let's see. The shark wasn't that strong. It tasted like fish, chewy fish. The shot was what was strong. Yeah, maybe a little bit of an aftertaste, but not bad. Surprised how not bad it was. No?
Oh, yeah. I don't think it's that bad.
No, me neither.
It goes nicely with the schnapps, with the Brenniman schnapps.
This is a Swiss mocha, which is, I think it's coffee and hot chocolate, but it just tastes like really good hot chocolate. Which is perfect on a cold day like today. It's freezing.
I think we finished up exploring Reykjavik. It's a really cute little town. Love all the old colorful buildings everywhere. But now we are heading out to our next stop, which is about a 45-minute drive outside the city. And we are headed to a nice relaxing day at the Blue Lagoon. So I am looking forward to this one. So we made it to the Blue Lagoon.
You couldn't tell.
Yes.
It's very blue.
Oh, it's a pool of water, basically, as you can see, that's heated, but the water all comes from deep down in the earth, and it's full of minerals that are supposed to be really good for your skin, and the heat from it is all natural and just feels so nice.
Nice, yes.
Oh, you can see all the steam coming off. It's so peaceful. One of the best parts is that you, even with the basic entry, you get one free beverage of choice. So I am enjoying a nice, refreshing beer from the Swim Up Bar. Perfect. Just can't beat this so far. It's been... I'm slipping.
Uh-oh, don't spill your beer.
Yeah, that's dangerous. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Ooh, but this whole thing has just been quite a relaxing experience. They're plastic.
They are plastic, yes. It honestly cannot beat this. This is incredible. So normally we're here during COVID, and so we had to quarantine when we got here. But normally this is a stop that you come to right after you get out of the airport, because it's right by the airport. And I think that would have been amazing. I'm kind of sad we didn't get to do that, because I can't imagine anything better than after sitting on a plane feeling gross, coming here, like getting to shower right away, and then getting a drink and lounging around. I think if we ever come back during non-COVID times, that's the way to do it. So with the package, you also get a nice skin mask made of the silica that's in the bottom of the pool lagoon as well, and it's supposed to make your skin nice and tight and your pores disappear, which would be lovely if that happened in a perfect world.
I just think we look silly. That's what it's for. Ooh, ghost.
Oh boys.
But it does feel kind of tingly. Ooh.
Yeah, it's
kind of like drying and...
Yeah. Okay. We gotta take it off.
It's been 15 minutes, so it is time for the great reveal of the new skin. I think that's what works.
No.
All new skins allowed?
No, I wish.
Okay.
Just a new face.
Yeah, new face.
A totally different person.
3, 2, 1. Is it off?
You go.
Here, is mine off?
Mostly, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, good job.
All right.
Oh, you look good. You look
Yeah,
good.
I can't see without my glasses.
I really don't want to go, but I think it's time to go. So we still have one more thing to do, and it's not going to be nearly as relaxing, but maybe as awesome. Maybe. It's going to be a stretch.
Volcano.
Yes, it's a volcano.
It's the volcano. Basically, the reason this is a hot pool is because there's lava underneath. So, like 10 minutes away, we get to see the lava.
I guess that'll be cool.
It'll be cool.
It's gonna be much more effort than this.
Yeah. We maybe should have switched the order of these.
We might regret it. We'll see.
But time to go after this wonderfully relaxing experience.
We're like half an hour in from the parking lot, so it will be. It's only another half an hour till we get there. It kind of was steamy, foggy when we got to the top. We couldn't really see anything, and now you can see that it's a field of lava. It's crazy. You can kind of see some of the active lava. I don't know. It's actually glowing. which is pretty wild. That's insane. And that's something I never thought I would see in my lifetime.
So this volcano just was created or formed just a few months ago, so it's brand new. We weren't sure how long it was going to be erupting, so we weren't sure if it would still be here when we came here. And I'm so glad it is. And I guess it's still erupting every 7 minutes or so. We've seen 2 eruptions so far, and it's just magnificent.
Crazy. Probably the warmest thing here so far. Everything else has been cold, but man, this is nuts. This is just nuts. I really don't have any words to describe how unusual this is, how like powerful. I don't really know. I don't have words to describe it, but I don't think I'll ever do anything like this again. Crazy how you can just hear all the creaking of the like lava as it comes closer. It's just like cracking and creaking and sounds so foreboding.
Ooh, it's
now it's like sizzling. It almost sounds like it's raining, but it's not.
Oh, it is raining.
Oh, it is?
Yeah. So that's the sound of the steam of the rain hitting it and like
that's
boiling.
the sound of the rain. What? That is so nuts.
Ooh, well, sadly, it's time to head back to the car.
Yeah,
that was
incredible.
Yeah.
I mean, once in a lifetime. I think we're so lucky to have gotten to see that.
Yeah, basically, if you have any opportunity, come here to Iceland as soon as you can.
Yeah, as soon as you can, because that is something that you're just, I mean, maybe you can see it again, but I don't know.
Just, wow.
I feel so lucky to have just like planned this when that happened, and what an opportunity.